How to make egrets from PVC. Placing a statue of an egret is an easy way to add a homemade touch to your lawn, dock or garden. Luckily, making the statue is a fairly simple task that requires only PVC pipe, a pattern to follow and some commonly used tools. When finished, the egret can be mounted on a wood stump or dock piling. In addition to looking pretty, it may rid your property or dock from damaging pests. Things you'll need: egret pattern, 4-inch PVC pipe, at least 3 feet long, jigsaw, drill, blowtorch, silicone glue gun with silicone, mounting screws, platform to mount the egret, work gloves. Draw the pattern onto a large piece of paper. You may need several attempts to find a size and design you like. After it's complete, copy the design onto the PVC pipe. Cut the pipe, following the pattern with a jigsaw. You may need 2 people, one to grasp the pipe firmly, and one to cut the plastic. Hold the blade perpendicular to the pipe for the best results. Drill holes for the eyes and the mounting screws. The mounting screws will attach the egret's feet to the platform. Heat the egret to bend it into your desired shape. Begin at one end and work your way to the other. Wear gloves to protect your hands from the heat. Affix the eyes to the egret, then affix the egret to the platform. Using a small log wrapped with rope to simulate the appearance of a duck is a common theme.